Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best chapstick for men. Here are the top 3 chapstick for men that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Malin+Goetz Mojito Lip Balm. It's clear and has a non-sticky finish which is suitable for all skin types. This chapstick is made from natural ingredients with advanced technology, ensuring no side effects at any point. It comes in a squeezing tube with a small spout that guarantees no spillage of the solution. The chapsticks keep the lips hydrated for a long time and work best in all seasons. It gets absorbed within seconds and does not irritate at any point. At number 2. Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. This chapstick is enriched with superior skin conditioners and antioxidants that soothe and relieve dry, chapped, and irritated lips. It saves the lips from getting affected by wind, sun, and harmful UVA and UVB rays. The chapstick is made from organic ingredients, ensuring no side effects after regular usage. Available in 5 flavor variants, offering the user to choose from according to the preference. Small-sized Ensure spout makes sure that the solution comes out in small quantity every time, eliminating the chance of getting spilled. At number 1. Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. Made from skin-friendly ingredients that offer instant relief from dry, chapped lips and keeping them hydrated throughout the day. It is a fragrance-free, portable chapstick that is easy to apply. Small-sized containers ensure that you can store them conveniently in your traveling bags and carry them everywhere. The in/out rolling disc is smooth and can be done with only 2 fingers. It has gone through several safety tests, ensuring its hypoallergenic nature. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.